In today's video I'm going to show you how to replace the cabin filter and the engine intake air filter on this Mitsubishi Space Star or Mirage. Let's start with the cabin air filter since it's very easy to replace it and you don't need any tools. Open the glove box, take your stuff from there. You can see on the sides here, you can press this little tab out, okay? You can do that on both sides. Now if you look under there, you're gonna see the cabin filter cover, which you need to release it and take out the filter. Now place the new filter on and the cover. Make sure it clicks. Now let's go under the hood. It's a good idea to remove the whole air filter housing in order to remove all the debris. You want to disconnect this hose from here. You can use a 10mm. Unplug the mass airflow sensor just to not mess up with the wires. And on the side, just release these two flaps and the cover should come out. Behind the filter, you can see a lot of debris. You'll find two 10mm bolts here. And you'll have a 10mm back here as well. You need a short extension. Now you can give it a nice clean inside. You can use some pressurized water also to clean this air reservoir on the side. Alright, something like that, nice and clean. Let's tie the bolts and install the new air filter. Press it nicely in there. Let's place back the cover. First it goes here, then over here. Secure it with these tabs and reconnect the hose. This hose needs to be very sealed, so make sure that the hose goes properly in here, because from this point on the air gets measured, so it needs to stay measured until it gets into the cylinders. And that was it, guys. Job done. If you want to see more videos about this car, go ahead and check out the playlist. Subscribe, stay tuned, and I will see you in the next video.